So it's very simple and easy to practice your speaking listening skills in Flipgrid in a moderated, safe environment. All you need as a student is to get the code from your teacher, and your teacher will have added your username or your school email address, and then you'll see your teacher's question, and then you can then reply to that question on any device. You can use your mobile device or a tablet or the web version on a PC or a Mac, and then you can then listen to the question, record your answer, which can be moderated, or anyone else in your group can see that answer if the teacher has turned moderation off. And you can also give feedback to peers in your class as well, or the teacher can give you private feedback if you prefer. So a really lovely way of being able to practice speaking listening skills asynchronously on any device. So one of the great things about Flipgrid is the fact that it is so easy to give multimodal feedback. In other words, you can give video feedback, you can give written feedback, you can give audio only feedback using the mic only option. That feedback can be private, which means that only the student receiving that feedback would see that. If you're, for example, connecting with Google Classroom, then that makes it even easier, because you just add the roster of students in a class to Flipgrid, and then the email addresses are all going to be synced with Flipgrid, and you'll be able to receive the feedback that way. Or if you're using, say, Microsoft Teams, then you get the share option in Microsoft Teams, or you could just copy the link for the feedback and post it in, let's say, an assignment if you wanted to as well. Now, in relation to written feedback, when you give the feedback, you can also choose to write the feedback. If you choose written feedback and video feedback or audio feedback, then it'll make a type of digest, which if you then send the feedback via email, that's really simple as well. So you can choose the types of feedback you give. You can also have written and video audio feedback together in the same type of feedback. So it's up to you on how you want to do that. But Flipgrid is fantastic for multimodal feedback, be it video, text, or audio only.